Hello, welcome to the Victorious Planner. My name is Danielle, and I am so glad that you stopped by my channel today. In this video, we are going to be flipping through the 2022 Walk by Faith Skinny Classic Faith Happy Planner. So recently, I did an unboxing of all of the things I ordered from the fall release, from the Happy Planner's fall release. So I will link that above or below. This was part of that order, and I'm just taking time to film all of these flip through videos so that we can take a closer look at these awesome products. So let's take a look at this awesome cover. It says, "For by grace are you saved through faith, and that not of yourselves, it is the gift of God." That is Ephesians 2:8. That is awesome. And this is my very first skinny classic planner. So I'm really excited to have one in this size. And I actually didn't even see very many. Maybe there was one other. Maybe not. This might have been the only one. I don't know. There might have been one other, but I'm not even seeing a lot of this size in their fall release. But I'm really glad that there was an option and that it was in the Faith Planner. So I'm really excited to try this out. But this one does have the white discs. They are plastic discs. And we'll take a look at the back cover too real quick. So that is just plain black back cover, in the same color as the front. Now, one thing that I did see, I think it was the Curvy Planner posted in her stories. She has this planner, and she shared what the inside cover looks like. Look at how gorgeous. And so the back side looks like this. And I am thinking of flipping that around so that this is the front of this planner, just because this is so gorgeous and it goes so well with these white discs. Now, I still do love this cover because I love that verse, and I do like the way that looks, but this just speaks to me more. I think it's so pretty. So we'll see. I may mix it up and do this one for a while and then this one, or vice versa, but just had to be sure to point out that gorgeous inside cover. Okay, let's get to flipping through the inside. Take out the little welcome. I love that they do these little welcome things in here. Okay, then of course we have our name page and the annual calendar for 22 and 23. Oh, this is so crazy, you guys, just to have something that's different size than I'm used to. Then it looks like we have a note page, and then we have the perpetual calendar. Is that what that is? Oh, this might just be for one a month. So see, I'm so used to the classic size. So this is just looks like for January. So that's awesome. And this is probably kind of in place of the currently page. So you have some notes for January and the daily calendar, and then you get into the weeks. It looks like, well, it looks like they let us finish out the last week of December. And then this first dashboard is so, I just love that. That's so awesome. And it has the Bible verse in gold foil. And then we have January. Okay, so this may be, well, we'll have to see. This is January here. So, and then your first, end of the first week. Okay, there it is, the rest of that week. All right, bear with me, you guys. Brand new, brand new planner layout. Okay, and then you have the layouts where you see the full week. And I'm very excited to decorate these layouts and just have something new. I think I'm going to use this planner for like my on-the-go planner, and just kind of where I can highlight that day's errands, just kind of a quick note, quick notes on the days that I can easily carry this with me if I don't want to take my catch-all planner with me. So I think that's the plan for this anyway. I still have a little bit of time to decide. All right, then we have February. These dashboards are so beautiful. And I think they might be very similar to the ones in the big Faith, Walk by Faith, Faith Planner that I got, that I did do a flip through video of. I will link that somewhere. All right, so then we do have the February currently page, and then the daily calendar, or the perpetual calendar. And then our weekly layouts. Awesome. Okay, So now we'll just take a look at the rest of these dashboards. And that one matches the front. That's awesome. These are very, very beautiful. And I will have to later look. Yeah, I love this one. So I do think these are similar or might be exactly the same as the big planner, which I don't mind because they're really beautiful. Be strong in the Lord. We love because he first loved us. It was awesome. Yeah, I do think these are the same. But man, those are just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And then at the very end, you do have one sheet of note paper, and that is such a beautiful piece of note paper. It does say prayers and praises on it, and it has the awesome floral design up there. Whoops. Saw something on there. All right, so there you go. Again, that was the 2022 Walk by Faith Skinny Classic Faith Happy Planner, 12 months. Even though it is a faith planner, like faith themed planner, since it's the Skinny Classic, I mean, it's not, you don't have to designate it for like your faith planner. You can use it for whatever you would like, since, I mean, it's a really neutral layout and just gives you your full week. So yeah, real quick, I will share this one is $29.99 currently on the Happy Planner website. As of today, it is still in stock. It is also found at Hobby Lobby stores while supplies last. I will link information below if you are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself. Let me know below, is this on your wish list? Do you already have this? Or is this one you would pass on? I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!